Hi, I'm Ellen from Swissco.com. Today we're going to take a look at a few different methods for removing rusted pivot bars. Metal pivot bars are typically quite resilient, but they can sometimes be vulnerable to corrosion, especially if you live in a salt-air environment. In most cases, removing a pivot bar is as simple as unscrewing the fasteners and taking it out of your sash. However, if the pivot bar is rusted and stuck to the sash, even after removing the screws, try spraying the area with some oil and let it sit for a few minutes. Then, use a pair of needle nose pliers to pull out the pivot bar. Sometimes, the pivot bar may be so damaged it's impossible to remove normally. In this case, it's okay to push the pivot bar further into the sash. The channel extends the entire length of the sash, so you'll have plenty of room to install a new pivot bar. If you're looking for replacement pivot bars or have any questions about your hardware, please visit us at Swissco.com.